All right, part 18 of rating / reviewing my followers' portfolios. Let's get it started with Apple. There's a lot of companies in here, so I'm gonna rip through these. So Apple is a Mag 7 company. I like it a lot. The iPhone 17 was a big hit. I own 5 shares of Apple's. I think it's solid, good long-term hold. Next up, we got AMD. I love AI, so I like AMD. I'm an NVIDIA holder, and I honestly do want to buy some AMD because I think AMD will outperform NVIDIA from here on out. They have way more room to run. NVIDIA is obviously the biggest market cap company in the world. Next up, we got Amazon. Amazon is actually my favorite Mag 7 company as of right now. I have been saying it's undervalued for the last month straight. They finally had their rally up through earnings and then an OpenAI deal. I love Amazon. Next up, we have APLD. APLD is another stock I like a lot. They're in data centers. I'm very bullish on AI, so I like data centers, and APLD has a huge deal with CoreWeave, and they're currently working on a second deal, which should be around the same capacity as CoreWeave's $11 billion deal. Next up, we got BBAI. I like BBAI a lot. It's a speculative long-term hold, definitely riskier than everything up here, but I think in time, this could be a $20 stock if they play their cards right. Next up, we got BMNR. I also own BMNR, and it is currently very down bad right now. All the cryptos are down crazy right now, and it is my exposure to crypto, but I do like BMNR a lot. It's an Ethereum treasury. I like Ethereum. I also like Bitcoin. So next up, we got CMG. I believe he just bought CMG after their earnings dump. Chipotle is in a kind of a bad spot right now, but I will say Chipotle at $31 seems very undervalued, and I'm not a value investor, so I won't buy Chipotle. But all right, next up we have Hims. Hims is a subscription-based healthcare seller. I think they're big on peptides, so I like Hims. I know they're on a dip. They had earnings and they dipped at a pretty decent price right now. Next up we got Hood. I love Robinhood. I love the financial technology sector. Hood and SoFi are my favorites, and I think Hood will continue to grow. And next up, we got Meta. Meta is extremely oversold right now. They had a $16 billion tax charge that ruined their earnings. I think it's a great generational dip right now, and I'm very bullish on AI, as I've mentioned, and I think Meta has a huge future. And again, it's a Mag 7 company, very safe. Next up, we got Nebius, and I like the whole AI infrastructure sector because I like AI, and Nebius works with a lot of hyperscalers. I believe they work with Microsoft. Microsoft's their biggest deal right now, and I think this is also definitely worth having in the portfolio. Next up, we have NVTS. They make semiconductors with NVIDIA. I believe they are gallium nitride semiconductors. They're one of the most efficient on the market, and they recently just had earnings and they kind of dumped. They did really have a crazy run up, and I knew they weren't going to sustain that price, but might be a nice buying dip here. This is another one